Good morning, folks. If you're in the market for buying a hardware sample on eBay and looking for the right bargain, I'm here to advise you and give you the best possible chance of picking up a good sampler. So if you're into that type of thing, stay tuned to this video. We're deep diving into that right now. Just a quick disclaimer, guys, if you decide to buy any of these samplers, I don't know any of the sellers. I can only go by what they say, so I don't vouch for any of them, so please purchase at your own risk. Today we're on eBay and we're discussing tech to buy right now. So here we have a sampler for sale and it says max RAM, please read. Now he's saying it needs a 5-volt power board, which I'm not sure what that's all about, but it's maxed out RAM. I wonder how much RAM is for the Akai S1000. He wants 200 quid for it, right? So Akai S1000 RAM, is this one worth it? How much you paying for a RAM for the S1000? No, it doesn't take this type of RAM. It'll be like a RAM board job. I wonder how long that's been up. It's got 10 watches. A lot of people on it thinking about it. Let's see. Look here, parts only, 350. Selling this one. This one's got stuff missing. My man's got that all intact for 200 quid. If you know what you're doing, it might be worth it. 5-volt board. Yeah, look, it's parts only again, 350. Wow, what's going on here? Let's have a look. Sold for parts and spares. It would be a nice project for someone who wants to repair it, bring it back to life. Does not seem to power on, so it's lost its power. Although it could be that screen isn't functioning. Difficult to say, as I've not gone through testing, so I am selling this as it is cosmetically. The thing is, right, for me, if you're going to sell something, right, surely you're going to do everything in your power to restore it before you put it on the market. And obviously if you can't fix it, then you put it on sale. But it says a collection from London. See details. I wonder if it's the same guy. No, it's Kenny, 46. Okay, well, I mean, no offers on it, so there's 300 quid for that one, but yet you've got one up there for 200 quid. It needs a power board. You've got sampler, base head, sample CD. So we're looking at S1000s clearly today. 285 for a S2000. That's kind of pricey. Let's have a look. S1000 power board. Now I know you can use aftermarket power supply on these, so that could be a good project. Hey, look at this. No, that's a power board for that. S5000. What we got? No, we can use one of these. No, just kidding. Here you go. Look. Oh, that's the USB interface. £200. That's for the 5000. Here we go. Look, 150 quid for 8 megabyte of RAM. So for another £50, you can have a max RAM, right? This looks interesting. And look, this is the digital board. Yeah, as I was saying, you can have max RAM and another sampler to tinker around with, or to, you know, experiment. Look at that, 8 megabytes. What's the max RAM on the S1000? 32 meg. So apparently he's selling it with 32 megabyte for 200 quid. See, that looks like a buy then in that case, because if the RAM's working good, then you've got a sampler that's got just a power line gone, and if you look at it, it does look quite good. Does it have SCSI? Do you know what? I need to message this brother and see if it's got SCSI, because the thing is that makes me hesitant about this is you can't see the back. I'd love to see a back photo. So I'm going to message him and ask him to see the back photo, because for 225 quid, I know it's a lot of money these days still, but at the same time, if you're in the collector's market, yeah, you get max RAM. That alone is worth, I'm not saying it's worth it, but that alone is going to cost you more than 200 quid for maxed out RAM. Alright, let's see what else we got. So if you're in the market for an Akai, I would probably go down maybe the S3000 route. Look at the S950, 500 quid there. Is that good buy? Let me see. That is grotty. Damn. I mean, boy, clean that up if you want to get good money for it. Oh, got some work to do on that, man. Oh man, that looks like it's being kicked around. Ah, oh, that is nasty. Damn, people, that is nasty. Right, we're running short. Let's find something else to look at. Quickly moving. So I'm now selling my S950 in working order. Has the instruction manual. the power cord and line attachment. It was serviced when I got this. It has been in storage. Boy, man, it's been some dirty storage, boy. Alright, guys, here's a S900 for sale. And it's make an offer. It's quite low. S900 is round about the same as the S950. I would have thought. Let's have a quick peek and see the difference between the two. Okay, so according to this, there is minimal sonic differences reported between the two machines. The lo-fi character can be a desirable aesthetic choice. Parts of these vintage samplers can be scarce, so finding a well-maintained unit is important. Right, check this out. Between the two, S900, standard RAM, they both got the same, but the S900 is only expandable to 1.5, yeah? And the S950 is expandable to 2.25. Now, it doesn't sound like a lot of memory, but yeah, it does make a difference. Also, the S950's got the capability of sampling up to 48 kilohertz. Now, me personally, I've never sampled above 24. So, might want to bear that in mind, because, you know, in the old samplers, saving memory was a big deal for us. Let's have a look. Cross looping is optional on this. Okay, so it doesn't do the cross fade looping and pre-trigger recording. So minor differences, but yeah, let's go back to that listing. So for 4 bills, you've got this one here, which is in working with drum. Oh wow, look at that. In working order with drum trigger board fitted. So it's got an option with it. Backlight has been changed. That backlight is got to be worth a few quid. So this is a good buy. I'd say this is a good buy if you want to get into the world of sampling. Been bashed up a little bit from the looks of it, but you know, pretty good wear and tear, all things considered. 400 quid. Make an offer, offer him 300 for it, see if he takes it. What do you reckon? Also, here's another little good buy. Look, they're doing MPC new LED screen. These LED screens are really nice looking, man. I'd say big up to Morio LCD, man. I'm telling you, these LCDs look nice. Man, they're the real deal. They got a nice kind of like, you know, subtle warm look to them on some of them. Look at that one. That's lovely. I like that colour. Let me know what colour you like. You've got this grey one. You've got this orange one. You know, and you got like a bright orange one, and you got a dim orange one. These look really nice, man. Alright, found another little gem here, folks. Akai S1000 sampler upgraded to 8 meg. Yeah, 8 meg, you know, 8 meg sound boy. Remember that, man. Used to big up your chest if you had 8 meg back in the day. A flight cased as well. Beautiful with a flight case. I mean, it's got a bit of rack rash on the side here, but still, it got a dim screen, yeah, and obviously come from a smoke studio. You can see how the buttons are all yellow. But look at that, beautiful. I love that picture, man. With all that vinyl in the back there, man. Oh, mate, what an era, eh? But yeah, let's give my man some props for this sale, man. This is Jason Rockwell. Big up Jason Rockwell. So it says here, please see all details before you bid. I'm selling my Akai S1000. It's been upgraded to 8 meg. It's flight case and comes with cracked operating system. Cracked operating system. What the hell was that? And a bundle of floppy disks. Oh, beautiful. It's fully working, but has 2 minor issues. Volume knob is crackly. That is a piece of piss. I'll show you what you could use to fix that. Right, so this is the deal you need here to do that. This sort of thing. Not the WD-40 with the oil. It's the yellow one, right? And it does electrical parts, yeah? Don't go spraying oil on this now, but you get the electrical contact cleaner, right? And the electrical contact cleaner one will do the trick. Let me see if I can find it. Hold on. Yep, I've used the same one time and time again, yeah? Any volume buttons on any electrical equipment, obviously switch it off before you spray it. You could just pull the knob off, yeah? And literally just spray it. Yeah, and literally just spray it, guys. And this will fix the problem. You just give it a couple turns, and then eventually, sometimes almost instantaneously, it goes away. Obviously, don't quote me on it. You might have a faulty variable potentiometer, they call it, and that might need a little bit of love. But he says you can collect from North London or range of Korea. Man, this is beautiful. 180. Look, people are bidding on it like mad. It's lovely. You know that's come from a home. It's sampled, and he says he's got a ton of discs with it as well. The disc the disc collection, man. Unknown sample library. Love it, mate. Love it, man. Anyway, let's keep an eye on this, guys. If you're getting anything out of this content, right, smash that like button. Let me know. Comment down below that you're enjoying the content. Best comment, I'm going to give a prize, some sample downloads, and you'll be letting me know to make more content like this, guys. And I'll do this on a regular. So I promise to do this pretty much every week, this type of video. Anyway, I've got other videos coming. I've got a wicked video coming on a towel sampler. Look out for that, guys. It's just a heads up. Really sorry for not uploading recently. A ton of things going on top of a few health issues, but main reason is because I've been doing some heavy research into this towel sampler versus S1000 video. Now, I want to do it fair justice. The video's almost done. It's going to be uploading in the next week. So once I get out of the way, we are flying. Bit of a bottleneck on this video. But yeah, this is, oh, look at this thing here. Anyway, guys, I think I'm going to call it a day on this one. Peace out.